What up, YouTube? Let's turn on some music first. There we go. I'll get a little hoobastank in here. The reason, no, it's your boy Never Summer 417. Doing another Zippo trick. This one's called Soldier Fingers. Very easy to do. Please just don't give me any hard times for my Zippo. It's being retarded. I took about 20 videos and it seriously won't light. It wouldn't light on, doing that. See? It's just used to being lit with my thumb, so it's not as touchy, which sucks. Alright, so here it is. Oh, sorry, my bad, that was out of camera. Okay, here's how you do it. You put your first and your second finger on top, away from that notch, so it can open. Okay, you put your thumb directly below them. Okay, directly below them, and then you press, and don't throw it. That's dangerous. Ugh. All right. You just press it and slide your top fingers. Don't move your thumb. Your thumb stays. It really does. Okay? Even if I don't do it, it stays. Okay? Doesn't move. My finger's a little slippery right now, so it works a little better. No, just kidding. It doesn't. Dry fingers are the best. But what you do is you slide your fingers off. I took my finger off. It slid off. It works the same way. But that's how you do it. So I got more Zippo tricks coming. So please comment, rate, and subscribe. Deuces.